Akiaria ari mwena wa Nanyuki hindi ya mathiko ma muhuri biacara Solomon Wachira, Minister wa utamburukia wa maahinya Mwangi Kiunjuri niaugite itanya ria atongoria mung'ethaniro ni guthararia githurano kinene na gucungiriria ngui.
The opposition is fragmented. They cannot hold. They already have a lot of problems. Much as they declared there that everything is well, their supporters are up in arms. They are looking for elephants. They are trying to divert the attention of Kenya.
Kiunjuri niongereire ati itua riria ringirugamia ithurano ni itua ria igoti ria Supreme no ti mikana kuma kuri atongoria a mung'ethaniro. Ningi nioritie ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini kuruta wira wao na njira ya waragania riria maratuithania macira ma ithurano niguo bururi ndukagomerwo ni ngahiha cia thutha wa ithurano.
Any judge who has witnessed what you went through the type of violence in this country cannot give this kind of unfortunate judgment.
Miario yake ni nyitetwo mbaru ni mubunge wa Laikipia ya Ithairo Mutahi Kimaru uria ugite mwena wa mung'ethaniro urongoreire gututhura ngahiha bururi-ini thutha wa githurano kinene.
What we are having is a recipe for chaos. So let us all steer clear of that. Let us pray for this country. Let us stand for the things that are good.
Itua riri ria utari wa kura cia Upresident riaheanirwo ni majaji Agre Muchelule, Weldon Koril na Enoch Chacha Mwita a igoti inene aria maheire arugamiria ithurano icigo-ini cia ubunge hinya wa kwanira maumirira ma kura cia Upresident. Gitenderithiria Kameme TV, Jeta Kamau wa Mwangi.